If you're a dentist or a laboratory and you would like to get Dentacoin implemented in your practice or in your laboratory, all you need is to go to www.dentacoin.com, go to our dentist page and join our network. After you join the network, you need to follow only 3 simple steps. The first one is to accept Dentacoin as payment method at your clinic. The second one is to put our logo and banner that you have accepted Dentacoin in your partner section on your website. And last but not least, you need to register on our trusted review platform. Our advisory team will be monitoring with yourself this process in order to make it very simple. We will be always ready to help you by registering, using our tools, and of course, we will be more than happy to train your staff if needed. As always, stay tuned and thank you so much for your support.